Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to trade options on Robinhood for beginners. First, let's cover the basics of what options are and how they work. Options contracts give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price by a certain date. Robinhood makes it accessible, but it's crucial to grasp the fundamentals before you start. We'll explore key terms like call and put options and how they function in the market. Before you can trade options, you need to enable options trading on your Robinhood account. This involves a quick application process where Robinhood assesses your financial experience and understanding of the risks involved. It's important to be honest and ensure you meet their criteria. Once approved, make sure your account is funded with enough capital, as options trading often requires a minimum balance, perhaps $2,000 or more, to get started effectively. Let's dive into the two main types of options, calls and puts. A call option gives the holder the right to buy an underlying asset at a specific price, called the strike price, before a certain expiration date. You'd typically buy calls if you expect the stock price to rise. Conversely, a put option gives you the right to sell an asset at a set strike price by the expiration date. You'd buy puts if you anticipate the stock price will fall. Options trading carries substantial risk, and it's vital to manage it carefully. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always understand your maximum potential loss before entering a trade. Begin with small positions to gain experience. Many platforms offer paper trading or virtual portfolios, which are excellent ways to practice without risking real capital. Educate yourself continuously and trade responsibly to build your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.